Today I'm going to teach you how to see a mobile preview in Elementor. This is really useful when you want to check how your page looks on smartphones before publishing it, ensuring your site is mobile friendly and properly formatted for smaller screens. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply head to your website's admin area and enter your credentials to access the back end of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the full dashboard interface where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Next, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. You'll be able to see page titles, publication status, and the date each page was last modified. Now look for the specific page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. You'll find this option either by hovering over the page title or in the Quick Actions menu. Clicking this will launch the Elementor Editor interface, which is where you'll be able to make changes and preview your page across different devices. Wait for the Elementor Editor to load completely. The canvas will show your page in desktop view by default. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and the complexity of your page. While it's loading, the editor is preparing all your page elements and design settings so you can work with them seamlessly. Once everything's loaded, locate the responsive control bar at the top of the panel. This bar contains icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile, allowing you to preview how your page appears on different screen sizes. It's typically positioned near the top center of the editing interface, making it easy to spot and access whenever you need to check responsiveness. Finally, click the mobile icon in the responsive bar to switch to mobile preview mode. The icon looks like a phone symbol. Once you click it, the canvas will instantly adjust to show you exactly how your page will appear on mobile devices. You can now scroll through your page and check that all elements are properly aligned, text is readable, and images are displaying correctly on smaller screens. And that's it. You're now viewing your Elementor page in mobile preview mode, making it easy to optimize your design for smartphone users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.